Seriously, I don't know. I don't know if other YouTubers are going through something I am going through. Seriously, I do not know if YouTube actually knows me by name. I don't even know if I have someone from my village working with YouTube. Seriously, I really do not know because the stress is too much. Please, if you guys are going through something with me, let me know in the comments because at this point, I think I need some motivations. I need motivation, seriously. Now, let me tell you something. If you're a YouTuber, then you know that it is very difficult to get your content idea, research on it, create your video, edit it, do your thumbnail, look for SEO this, SEO that, so that your videos can rank, and at the end of the day you upload it and you're able to get someone watch it for at least 50 seconds, 60 minutes, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and there you're gathering watch time little by little, little by little. Some persons might just open the video and off they go, and now you're able to gather watch time without saying jack. Everything is gone, like all your watch time is gone. Guys, that is what happens to me. That is my story. Like right now, all my watch time gone just like that. And in this video I'll be sharing with you everything, how it happened, so that you don't make some mistakes that I made. Because what is it that what is the essence of you being on YouTube and you're not getting watch time, and your aim is for you to monetize? It's not even as if you're doing it for fun. Even if you do it for fun, you understand? So even if you're doing it for fun, at least it will be a good thing for you to get revenue while doing something you love doing best. You understand? So this was what happened to me. I started uploading videos on YouTube and all of that. People started watching after a few months, and to a very large extent, I didn't even know what happened. Like, I can't really tell what happened. So one of those days, okay, I met a particular YouTuber, I can recall. I met a particular YouTuber who talked about us creating playlists. So before then I didn't know how to create playlists. I didn't know the functions of playlists. In fact, I didn't even know the functions of end screens. You understand? So the YouTuber was like, you need to create playlist, so in case we want to share our video link to someone, to our friends or family, instead of us sharing a single video, like sharing a link to a single video, we can share the link to our playlist, so that once they're done watching one video, YouTube will keep recommending our own content to that person. So until the content in that playlist is done playing, that person will not watch another video. So I was like, wow, this sounds good. Like, it sounds like something I would love to do. So at that point I was not like, okay, I am going to do it. Let me go and create a playlist, because then I didn't know about playlists, I didn't know about end screens, I didn't know about cards. You understand? So I went ahead, I came on YouTube here, I created the playlist. So after creating the playlist, it was now time for me to put my videos into this playlist, because I created about five playlists under my channel. I used to do about 5 different things. I used to talk about Amazon KDP. I used to talk about data tips. I used to talk about reviews. I used to talk about how to get works remotely, how to get money from social media and all of that. I used to talk about all these things and even more. So at that point, I came on YouTube. I created the playlist. After creating the playlist, I clicked on the video I want to add to the playlist. So you know that when you click on a particular video, options will pop up where you have if you want to share the video, if you want to add it to playlist, if you want to add it to watch later and all of that. So I wanted adding it to playlist. That was how I mistakenly clicked delete. Hey, I mistakenly clicked delete. The video was gone, but it never got done on me yet, not until after 24 hours. And you know what? The unfortunate thing is that that was my video with the highest number of watch time. Now, after 24 hours, I went back to my studio to check how my videos are doing, to check if my watch time is increasing or not. That was when I realized that all the watch time that came with the deleted video were gone. All the watch time that came with that video were gone just like that. I didn't know that if you get to delete a video on YouTube, that the watch time that came with it will go, but the subscribers will stay. In case you had like 5 persons subscribed to your channel through that video, those subscribers will stay, but the watch time that came will go alongside the deleted video. Guys, please do not make this mistake. Do not make this mistake. Like, I cried. I literally cried, but it did not bring back the watch time. All the watch time gone just like that. What am I saying in a nutshell? So please, whatever thing you want to do on YouTube, do not do anything when you are under pressure. Do not do anything when you're rushing. Do not do anything when you're feeding your children, you're dressing your children and all of that, so you don't get to make mistakes. If you get to delete any of your videos from YouTube, all the watch time is gone. This is not me telling you not to delete videos that are not yours. If you have content on your channel that are not yours, you know very well these contents are not yours, and you're not even monetized. You did not add significant value to those content. Irrespective of the watch time they gave to you, please kindly go and delete them, because at the end of the day, those contents will stop you from monetizing your channel. You understand? So there is no point having plenty watch time from a particular video that will at the end of the day stop you from monetizing. Guys, I believe you learned from this. Be very careful whatever you do here. Once your video is deleted, it is deleted for life, and the watch time is also gone for life. Thank you for watching. See you guys in my next video, and bye for now.